I got Pimple Pete, which sounds awful. Kind of continuing the tradition of today in my life. Pimple Pete, the pressure-packed pimple-popping game. I can't read it in that other language. Oh my lord, that looks fucking awful, dude. Pete, you got your creaming face on. Do you even touch grass? No, dude. I'm touching Pimple Pete right now. What up? Oh my gosh. Peter, please. This is a way better mask than that bazinga ass bullshit. Pimple Pete a little sus? What the fuck? What is that? It's a bunch of little appendages. Bunch of little guys. My bag of little fellas. What an off-putting image. All right, how do you think you play Pete? How do you think you play Pimple Peter? This one's in French. Pimple Pete, yeah. Assemble Pimple Pete. Snap head into base. Got him? It's a syringe. Is this to put the pimple goop in him? Questionable. Pimple Peter, you got some instructions on you, fella. Insert l'impulsion into appuyer. My god, this is a whole mechanism. This is weird as f. Why is there so many different ways to do? The Amazon is evil. Yes, that is the point we're trying to make here. There he is. Looking good. These are the pimples? Oh no. And then you needed to fill them with water. I think I'm gonna fill them with coffee because I don't have any water. Is this a game? It's just his head. It's a silhouette of his head that you spin. Oh, seems I got the chrome dome this time. I guess I gotta pop one up here, I guess. Ew, look at my dongler. That's so I love doors. This is beyond cursed. This feels like the weird energy of like Don't Wake Daddy, but less mainstream. This is like a B family game. That never quite made it because it was just a little too fucking weird. What is the goal of the game? To make your grandma faint? Listen, I died doing what I loved, okay? I like how they say you could put extra pimples in the box, like I'm fucking gonna have any extra. Is this somehow going to make some sort of, I don't know. I guess we'll just try it and see. Eat the extra, obviously. You think I'm gonna let these babies go to waste? These little fleshy fun pellets? Zit game. Yeah. Something like that. I'll move them over here, don't worry guys. Don't want you guys to feel left out here. Almost got all of his little fucking holes and pores filled in. Philly D, fill me in. Philip to Frank me. Can Philip to feeling me right now? I hate when I pull my pimple sperm through the big hole. That is looking real nice. He is pretty symmetrically horrendous to look at. I'm just trying to drag these little lasagnas through his face here so he looks like less of a Frankenstein zombie freak and more of a well-endowed puberty experiencer. God, this is really gross. Period. Public humiliation. That is what we're doing here, yes. So I'll be eating these ones for later, putting them in the box like they asked. Oh, Jesus. Why would it be so violent, though? Isn't that gonna shoot water everywhere? I mean, I know that's the point, but competitive play, 2 to 4 players. Pop the pimples without bursting the mega zit. The first player to score the winning pimple point total is the Pimple Pete champion. That's awesome. Pimple points. Carefully pass Pimple Pete to the player on your left. If you burst the megazit, you forfeit the pimple and get no pimple points for that round. This is f***ed up. And these diagrams are horrifying. That's just weird looking, right? And the megazit's just gonna spray me, I imagine, whenever I push this. But I don't understand how that's even... What's the game? Oh man, this is gonna be so comical when I accidentally fucking bukkake myself. I can't do it. I don't know what way this button goes. I just want to don't wake daddy. I just want to not wake up my father. No, he did it without me. This game sucks. Put daddy's juice into daddy's back. Then you put it there, and then your daddy's whack. I said your daddy's whack. He's fucking whack. Ah! I was trying to get hyped up for our beef. This is a half-baked idea. It's funny, but these little danglers have nothing to do with these. These are just our house rules, I think. What do you think, Sheldon? I've petered my last pimple for today. I hope.